This is the M3-LS-U2 linear smart stage, part of our family of all-in-one micro-positioning stages. These precision linear stages have a piezoelectric motor and all drive electronics integrated right into the stage, so there's no need for an external control box or driver card. They accept high-level motion commands directly from your PC or system processor using a standard serial interface to give you the smallest system size and fastest integration into OEM instruments. The M3-LS-U2-8 has the smallest size with 6 mm of travel. The M3-LS-3.4 has 10 times higher force and 15 mm of travel. And the M3-LS-U2 is our most cost-effective solution, designed for long life and high-volume production applications. It has 8 mm of travel and is also 7 times faster than the other M3 smart stages. The M3-LS-U2 Developers Kit includes everything you need: one M3-LS Smart Stage, a USB adapter board for evaluation, system development, and prototype testing, NuScale Pathway software, a 5-volt power supply, a quick start guide, and all cables. To get started, install the NuScale Pathway software on your PC. Connect the stage to the adapter board, plug in the power, and connect the board to your computer. You can easily evaluate the smart stage motion using the graphical user interface and use the scripting environment to develop your own scripts. When you integrate the stage into your system, you will provide DC power and digital commands directly to the stage using I2C or SPI protocol. The stage has 500 nanometer position resolution with absolute encoding, so there's no need to rehome the carriage on power-up. The developer's kit includes one M3-LS Smart Stage. You can purchase additional stages and brackets to create 2-axis micro-positioning systems. The stage operates on 5-volt DC and has low power requirements, with no onboard high voltage, so you can easily integrate precision motion into battery-powered, handheld, mobile, and portable devices. For specifications on our M3 micro motion modules, visit nuscaletech.com.